Eclipse and Galaxy dehumidifiers require servicing at a minimum of once per year. This is done in just a few simple steps. Without proper maintenance, premature failure of components can occur. Step 1. Place the dehumidifier into the off position. This is done by pressing the on-off on the front of the control panel. It can take up to 3 minutes to cycle off. Remove the prefilter by rotating the inlet collar counterclockwise until it releases, then pull outward. Remove the prefilter from the inlet collar. Rinse the prefilter from the back side with a low flow of clean water to remove the buildup. The prefilter may be soaked in a mild cleaner such as dishwashing liquid if needed. Place the prefilter to the side to dry while moving on to the next step.
Thank you for watching, and see you